Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Off Season, a series on our YouTube channel where I share the work being done to my personal cars. On this episode, we finished mounting the splitter on the ISF, as well as install the new Grid 0MS seat in place of the old Gardus one, which was always meant to be installed in the FD. Once the new seat was in, I realized that the seating position was quite a bit different, so I had to make some adjustments to the steering wheel setup. Did you just throw up on my car? Although after driving the car while I was testing the splitter, I realized that I will actually need to install a larger spacer on the quick release and recline the seat a bit further. The ergonomics of the newer Zero seat is much different than that of the Gardus, and it's something I'll probably have to get used to. Once the new seat was in the ISF, I wanted to check to see that the Gardas would fit into the FD without any issue. I didn't anticipate any problems because I'm not using the OEM door cards. There's no door card in there now, but I am waiting on some carbon units that Taku is making for me at Carbon Fiber Lab. While the seat ended up fitting fine, I would like to explore the option of designing my own seat rail. There's two widely used low mount options right now for the FD on the market, but I don't really like either of them for different reasons. So I might try and make my own to specification that I prefer. From episode 2, we finished the main mount, but we're waiting to receive the splitter rods that were on back order. They arrived last week, so I was looking forward to getting this project finished. After looking around in the engine bay for a little while, I found two existing holes that would be perfect to mount the splitter rod ends to. It required that I remove the catch can from the driver's side as well as the intake to gain access, but overall it was a pretty simple installation. Once I finished mounting these and took them for a test drive, I was surprised at how much the 2 rods mounted on each side also work to stabilize the center of the splitter. I did a quick test around 80 or 85 miles per hour and found it to be very solid. I'll get a chance to test it at higher speeds later on the freeway, but I didn't trust my GoPro rigging for highway use. It's been an ongoing project to get the garage organized in the way that I want, and a part of that was to get some cabinets installed so I could organize some household items and outdoor gear that didn't yet have a place to go or was kind of scattered around the house. Smaller things that can get easily disorganized if they don't have a designated place. You can see here the type of cabinets that I'm using. I plan to need about 4 of them in total. I have 3 now. These are about $150 on Amazon, and for the price, they're pretty good quality. A few people were interested in seeing more of the garage, so this sort of gives you an idea of what I'm working on. But once it's complete, maybe I'll do a walkthrough or show more of it. But for now, that's all. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.